So it's pushing 90 out here today. The sun is bearing down on us. We're gonna try and get some reprieve from the sun. We're gonna learn how to deploy the Bimini on our axis here. So first thing we're gonna do, we've got 2 clips, 1 on each side. We're just gonna reach up, unclip that one, and unclip that one. Now, usually I like to bring this all the way down and gently set it right here on the front windshield while we unzip our cover, which is pretty straightforward, just like this. And then we can take off the entire cover like that, and we'll probably stow this underneath, right down in there. So our cover should be pretty well wrapped around these poles here. So what we'll do is just kind of unwrap that a little bit until we start to see how it unfolds. And the first thing I'll want to do is find in the very front, in this Velcro section, we've got our 2 poles here that are going to help support the Bimini. So the first thing I'll do is I'm just going to grab this one, and you see the ball there that slides into the socket, and then this mechanism we're going to turn 180 degrees, and that'll lock it right in place there. And we'll do the same on the other side. You'll see these Velcro straps. We've got 8 of them, 2 on either side, and then 6 across the top. So we're just going to bring this all the way over. I like to do one of the middle ones first usually, so you'll see how this wraps around. Now that I've got the middle one there, pull that tight around the corner, and we'll go ahead and get this side one in place. And last one over on this side, pulling that tight around the corner, and right around the side here, and we're ready to enjoy the shape. All right, now we got the Bimini up. We've been out enjoying the sun for the day and the shade. So now we're gonna go ahead and collapse the Bimini back down. First thing we're gonna wanna do is just reverse of what we just did. So we're gonna undo all these straps. Once our straps are undone, we can just do the same reverse that we did with the ball and socket here. So we're just gonna flip this around 180 degrees, just like that. And that'll allow this to pop right out. And we do the same thing on the other side. And then these both are gonna fold in and come right into this Velcro section, just like this. So these are both gonna fold in here, and we can Velcro those in, just like that. Bimini's loose, so now we can just nicely wrap this around a couple times. And we'll grab our cover here, make sure it's seated around each corner here. Go ahead and start the zipper on this end. Sometimes it can be a little bit challenging, but as long as you got it rolled up nicely, we should be able to get it zipped up pretty well. So a little Velcro there. Everything's tucked in nicely. And then we simply flip it right up like this, and we've got our clips. It'll come right around the outside. And 1, and our Bimini stowed.